Eyola baba, asile, ilamuna, ilobalina, asilolana, ilakomama, ilamamuni, eliale, asilabo, hadelaboni, ikelodana, aseolabileo, ialema, ikabina, isalilo, ehilaka, ilemunde sahila moma. Hey! Iseluna, Esulava, Esaliye, Asilude, Ahikore, Sahila mamabu. Ialenos, Alikebama, Ilesalen, Ialema. Lord, you carry me from my mother's womb. Ilela koma, ile sileno, haika mama, ila ije. Lord, you carry me from my mother's womb. Hey! Sit down, sit down. You people are stirring something here. Raise up, raise up, raise up, raise up, raise up. Hey! Hey! You are stirring something here. Raise up, raise up, raise up. Hey! Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's not go there. Let's not go there. Wait, wait, wait. You people, wait. You people love God too much. Sit down, sit down. Wait. You don't, let's not stir that power yet. The angels don't, oh my God. Woo. Jesus. Say that. There is a river that makes glad the city of God. See inside here, inside. See inside here. Just maintain this sound God has given us. Just maintain this sound. We'll soon begin to fly. Are you hearing what I'm hearing? Hey! Come on, let's go. Come on, Kabalaba. Elielosa ila kamamu eledie hasileton ila linola marelo kama iale mamose ile kaye adiale la babarie se ila bileno Holy Ghost. Sit down. Tell your neighbor, welcome to Jerusalem. They think you are a citizen of London. They don't know, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Even if you tell them, they don't know. Hey! Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Hey, oh my God. If you don't understand what's going on, just pray in the Holy Ghost. Pray. Increase the tempo, make it faster a little. Okay. Okay, sorry. Stop. Sit down. What kind kind of drink can turn this world around? 17 hours. The people are waiting. They are waiting tonight. You can see their faces. They are, hey! Another! What kind of drink can turn this world? A ball of fire! A ball of fire! Yes. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. The one, yes! Again, I know be dying. The kingdom come, the one who Holy Ghost. I say, singing, I love be dying. I love be dying. And Holy Ghost. Sit down, sit down. We give God praise. We are going to worship God. Sit down, sit down. Shilamana komina kaina. Eva, my God, and leaped over the wall. Listen, listen. For us, it's not a song. It is life. It is life. Listen, let me tell you a secret. Your victory songs will be gotten in the days of your battle. You don't sing victory songs in the days of victory. It's in the days of battle. Hey, but my God, I leaped over a wall. Hey! This is someone that have said, let's see how far they will go. Kai! I leaped over a wall. They say, can anything good come out of them? Hey, but my God, I ran through a troop. Hey! Sit down, sit.
Hello, thank you for watching the video, and I hope it was a great asset to you. And I hope it was also very useful time. If you haven't commented, if you haven't liked, please do that. And for more videos, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos. God bless you.